This video provides an overview of lingural dental lab operation workflow. It demonstrates the comprehensive process of how a case is initially created on the dentist's end, transferred to the lab end for design work, then returned to the dentist's end, and ultimately completed for production. Dentist. Create case and generate AI-powered orthodontic plan. Assign adjustment tasks to dental lab. Labs manager. Get the address of lingural for lab and administrator account from lingural's support team. Employee account setup. Generate unique staff ID and system account with default password. Permission management. Configure operational access rights based on employee role and responsibilities. Distribute created, configured account and password to relevant employees. Technician A. Review orthodontic case. View doctor submitted treatment plans. Analyze modification requirements. Assign case to appropriate lab specialist for execution. Technician B. Take over and edit case. Assume case ownership and make necessary adjustments. Submit revised plan. Technician A. Review edited orthodontic plan. Verify all modifications meet clinical requirements. Confirm compliance with doctor's original prescription. Submit plan for doctor approval. Await clinical confirmation before proceeding. Dentist. Review and approve orthodontic plan. Technician C. Export the plan, generating a DSG file. Generate printable jaw model and trim line by lingural model and aligner export software or the upcoming post-processing tool. The dentist opens the Lingural Dentist app, logs in, enters the Smart Orthodontic module, and begins creating a new orthodontic plan. The dentist inputs the case's basic information, intraoral scans, and other imaging data. After saving, the AI will generate an initial design taking approximately 10 minutes. After the AI plan finishes loading, click View Plan to enter the plan details page. The dentist reviews the target position and staging to see if they meet requirements. If the dentist is satisfied with the AI-generated plan but requires lab assistance, they directly select Submit to Manufacturer for production. If the dentist finds the AI-designed plan unsatisfactory, they click Submit Plan, choose Submit to Design Manufacturer, select a specific design manufacturer, and click Confirm. The dentist can also enter adjustment requests in the comment field. Now switching to the perspective of the Design Manufacturer Manager. Enter the address for Lingural for Lab and log in using Administrator account. This account is provided by the Lingural support team. After logging in, navigate to Staff Management, select Staff Account Settings, and click Create New Staff Account. Input the username, real name, and employee ID if applicable. Then provide the username and default password to the corresponding employee within the design manufacturer. Under Staff Permissions settings, grant the employee the necessary permissions for their work. To ensure smooth operations, we recommend assigning all permissions to each employee responsible for plan design. Now switching to the perspective of Lab Senior Technician A. Technician A, having received account credentials from the manager, enters the username and initial password on their computer. Next, the system prompts them to set a personal password, replacing the default. After completing this step, the technician logs in successfully to the lingual for lab interface. Click and view unassigned records. Select the case submitted by the dentist for manufacturer design and click into it. Then Technician A can see the plan submitted by the dentist and click Claim Record to become its responsible technician. After claim this record, copy a new plan of the existing plan 1 as the base for editing. This copied plan will automatically enter the comprehensive review process, and the process's responsible technician defaults to the record owner. Click View Plan to enter the treatment plan interface. Examine the TP to identify which part don't meet the dentist's requirements. In this particular case, the dentist felt the step sequence had too many steps. After review, Technician A find the AI planned molar distalization to gain space, but achieving sufficient space with fewer steps is possible via interproximal reduction. The target position needs adjustment. Click Reject to Preceding Process and click the Target Position step and confirm. All the process here besides the comprehensive review and production are editable. After choose the process, there have two choices: assign the current plan directly to someone including myself, or put this plan into pending allocation for another technician to claim it. Here, Technician A choose to assign the plan to Technician B, the technician responsible for teeth arrangement. After assignment, returning to the plan details page shows the current process step is now arranged with Technician B as the responsible technician. Now switching to Technician B's perspective. Click View Plan to enter the plan page for editing. The editing process is omitted here. After edits are completed, the plan automatically progresses to the step following arrange and is placed back into the pending allocation queue. At this point, a technician responsible for staging design, or the record owner Technician A, can claim the plan and perform further editing to ensure the entire treatment plan meets the dentist's requirements. This cycle repeats until the plan re-enters the comprehensive review process. This time, Technician A checks the TP and confirms it now fully satisfies the dentist's requirements. Technician A then clicks Submit to Dentist for approval. Returning to the dentist's perspective. The dentist receives a notification and sees the lab has returned a second plan, Plan 2. If the dentist approves this plan, then click Approve. If still unsatisfied, they can either add new adjustment comments directly on Plan 2 or copy Plan 2 to create a new version and make adjustments themselves. Since Lingural Dentist is equipped with the same editing tools as Lingural for Lab, now we back to the Plan 2, then click Approve. If the dentist clicks Approve, Technician A will see the dentist's approval message. Technician A should then click Submit for production and assign this approved plan to a technician responsible for post-processing, Technician C. Now switching to the Technician 6 page. Technician C is a technician who charged in post-process and production in this manufacturer. Technician C will then become the process owner for this plan, similar to Technician B earlier. Technician C should export the plan, generating a DSG file, the production package. This DSG file should be imported into the Lingural model and aligner export software or the upcoming post-processing tool.